Ever wondered why we say, "bless you," when someone sneezes? Stick around as we uncover the truth. The tradition dates back to ancient times, with several theories explaining its origin. One popular belief is that saying, "bless you," was a way to protect the sneezer's soul from evil spirits. Others say it originated during the plague times, as a sneeze was a symptom of illness. Saying, "bless you," was a wish for good health. Some cultures have their unique takes. For example, in Germany, people say, "Gesundheit," meaning health. Despite the various origins, today it's seen as a common courtesy, a simple wish for good health, or to acknowledge a sneeze. So, next time someone sneezes, remember, you're continuing a tradition centuries old. Follow for more curious facts.